Brutor Agent Governance. An introduction. We've governed the model, the tools, and the skills, each in its own series. This is where they come together. An agent is all of those at once, acting on its own. That combination, a model, tools, and autonomy, is exactly what ISO 42001 calls an AI system. So this series governs an AI system, end-to-end, with an agent system as the example. Here's the shape of the series. This introduction presents the example system and the concepts. Then 4 standalone demos govern it, piece by piece. Part 1, the AI system itself. One resource group that owns every resource. Part 2, the agent's identity and what it may do. Part 3, the network between agents. And Part 4, observing the whole system. One example carries through all 4. Meet the system, the ACME Revenue Copilot. Everything inside the dashed line is one AI system, in Brutor, literally a resource group of type AI system, so the whole thing is governed and audited as one unit. On the left, marker 1, the agent itself, the data export worker, an identity, not an API key, the caller, the principal that acts. It has an owner, a workload subject issued by your IDP like a SPIFFE ID, a default deny baseline, and its own grants. In the middle, the Brutor gateway, the boundary. Every call the agent makes crosses it, and that's where the grants, the guardrails, the semantic judge, and the audit live. And on the right, the 4 surfaces the agent uses. It reasons over an LLM, aloud. It fires MCP tools, reads aloud, bulk exports need a human, deletes denied. It runs packaged agent skills. And at marker 2, it delegates to other agents, the billing and finance peers, reached through signed cards, advertisements of callable agents, almost a registry of who this system can call, guardrailed in both directions and bounded in depth. That's the split worth remembering. An identity is the caller with grants, a card is a signed listing of a callee. Underneath it all, marker 3, the observability plane, the registry, mission control, delegation graphs, and the audit log. Keep this picture in mind. Each demo lights up one region of it. 3 concepts to take from the diagram. Identity, the agent is a principal, an owner and an IDP subject like a SPIFFE ID with its own grants. That's the caller. An issuance stays with your identity provider. A card is a different object, a cryptographically signed advertisement of an agent you can call at its endpoint. The callee, a registry to delegate to. An agent that acts has an identity. One that others call has a card. Authorization, grants describe what it may do. Allow, deny, or approval required per action and per target. Layered with a plain English, LLM-judged intent policy. All default deny, strictest wins. And the network. Agent-to-agent calls are signed, scoped per system, guardrailed in both directions, and bounded in depth. And the framing that matters if compliance is on your desk. Govern the agent, and you've governed the AI system. Model it as an AI system resource group. The agent, its models, its tools, its skills, and its policies attached to one governed unit. And the evidence accrues where an auditor will actually ask for it, per system, not per API call. The design pattern in 4 planes. Discover and register. Every agent is a row in the registry with an owner, a risk tier, and a signed card. Authorize, grants per action and target. Authenticate. A workload credential binds every call to the identity, so attribution is on every audit row. Enforce and observe. The gateway enforces inline, and mission control and the delegation graphs carry the proof. 4 action types, 3 effects, 1 consistent model across LLM calls, MCP tools, agent-to-agent calls, and skills. That's the map. Now the 4 demos light up the diagram, region by region. First, the AI system as one governed unit. Then the principal and its grants. Then the network between agents. And finally, the observability underneath. Same system throughout,